I spent the last decade working with seniors who struggle every single morning just to get out of bed, and I have seen something that honestly breaks my heart. These are people who raised families, built careers, and lived full lives, now finding themselves weaker each year, losing their independence piece by piece. I am Dr. Alina Saravo, a health researcher who has dedicated her career to helping people over 50 reclaim their strength and vitality. What I am about to share with you will change everything you thought you knew about breakfast. Scientists recently analyzed over 3,200 different foods to identify which ones truly build muscle and strength in older adults. After all that research, only 8 foods made the final list. And here is the part that shocked even me. Eggs did not make the cut. For decades, we have been told that eggs are the ultimate protein breakfast. The food industry has spent billions convincing us that scrambled eggs are all we need. But emerging research reveals something troubling about relying solely on eggs, especially for those of us over 50. The truth is, our bodies change dramatically as we age. Around age 30, your body starts losing muscle mass. This process is slow at first, barely noticeable. But after 60, this decline accelerates dramatically. We are talking about 3 to 8% muscle loss per year if you do nothing to stop it. By age 80, up to 50% of people are affected by sarcopenia, which is the medical term for severe muscle loss. This leads to falls, broken bones, and even cognitive decline. But here is the hope. Your muscles can still grow at any age. I have seen 70-year-olds gain strength they thought was gone forever. The secret is not an expensive supplement. It comes down to one critical component: leucine. Leucine is an amino acid that acts like a master switch, telling your muscles to start growing and repairing. Research from the University of Texas found that adults over 50 need at least 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine per meal just to activate muscle protein synthesis. Miss that threshold, and your muscles stay in starvation mode. This is why these 8 foods are so powerful. Each one delivers enough leucine to flip that growth switch for less than $3 per serving. Number 1 is Greek yogurt. 1 cup delivers 20 grams of protein and nearly 2.7 grams of leucine. But it is more than just protein. It contains probiotics that support the gut-muscle axis. A study in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia, and Muscle found that seniors with healthier gut bacteria maintain significantly more muscle mass. At $1.50 per serving, it is a nutritional steal. Number 2 is cottage cheese. 1 cup delivers 28 grams of protein and a massive 3.1 grams of leucine. It contains casein protein, which acts like a personal foredrip of amino acids, releasing slowly over several hours. It also has selenium to fight chronic inflammation. If you hate the texture, blend it into a smooth cream for your toast. Number 3 is canned salmon. A 4-ounce serving gives you 25 grams of protein, but the real magic is the omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s calm the inflammatory signals that tell your body to break down muscle. Plus, the soft bones in canned salmon provide more calcium than a glass of milk. Number 4 is sardines. These tiny fish deliver 23 grams of protein and are packed with vitamin D. A study in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research showed that seniors with adequate vitamin D maintain significantly more muscle strength and balance. If the taste is too strong, mash them with avocado and lemon juice. Number 5 is chicken breast. This is a leucine powerhouse, offering 3.2 grams per 4-ounce serving. It is lean, meaning you get the protein without the saturated fat, and it is rich in B vitamins for energy metabolism. Number 6 is lentils. For our plant-based viewers, 1 cup of lentils provides 18 grams of protein and 2.5 grams of leucine. They are also packed with fiber, which feeds the gut bacteria that protect your muscle tissue. At $1 per pound, this is the most affordable muscle builder on the list. Number 7 is oatmeal, but only when prepared correctly. Plain oats don't have enough leucine, but if you mix in a scoop of protein powder or Greek yogurt, you create a perfect delivery system. The carbohydrates in the oats trigger an insulin response, which acts like a delivery truck carrying amino acids directly into your muscle cells. Number 8 is hemp seeds. 3 tablespoons deliver 10 grams of complete protein. They are rich in magnesium, a mineral that 70% of seniors are deficient in. Magnesium helps your muscles relax and supports nerve function. Sprinkle them on everything. When you combine these foods, you create something powerful. My ultimate breakfast is 1 cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of oatmeal, and 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. This gives you over 30 grams of protein and 3 grams of leucine for under $3. Remember, breakfast is your first muscle-building opportunity of the day. A study from McGill University found that seniors who distribute protein evenly across all 3 meals maintain more muscle than those who eat most of it at dinner. Don't wait. Pick one food from this list and add it to tomorrow's breakfast. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you're starting with. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-backed tips. In my next video, I'm revealing the 5 healthy breakfast foods that are actually causing you to lose muscle. You won't want to miss it. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.